Hey everyone, got a package today. I wanted to see what we got in here. What do you guys think? Do y'all get packages from Temu anymore? I do every now and then. Depends on what it is. But usually it's for my soap stuff. So, and that's what this is. It's a big old haul for soap. So, you see that? This is just a little mold. It's like a little sunflower. These are little mushroom molds. Seems like it takes forever sometimes to get here if you order from them, but I got all this pretty quick within the week. More little molds. And I got this one. It's a little soap mold also. It's just for like little trial sizes or a small order. I have these little pipettes. These are great for like measuring out your essential oils or your fragrance oils. Come in real handy. This one is up for bigger bars. I'll probably use these to make like my dish soap bars. It'll be pretty good for that. You get the little cups, the measuring cups. These will be good. If you do epoxy, it's really good for that. But this is good for like mixing your essential oils up. And the good thing about them is like you can squeeze them when you're pouring, so make less of a mess. If you're like me, I make a mess all the time. And these are the blueberry and the raspberry molds. Little heart molds. And it comes with another little dropper. These are the cute ones. These are the little Highland cow molds. Really ice molds, but I'll use them for soap molds. This is just some more of those little measuring cups. Because you could never have too many. This is a bigger mold. Like when you want to do, when you got a bigger order. I also did these like my flat bars. These worked out pretty good. You can also do like cakes and stuff in these. Pretty good. This is just another flower mold. I don't remember this one, but okay, that's pretty cool. It's got two little flower molds. And then the spatula. You get 3 of these. They're actually pretty good. They've got a wire in the middle of them so that it makes them more sturdy when you're scraping stuff. But do you guys get anything from Temu? What do you guys order? Do you order stuff for your crafting? Do you order clothes? I don't really like the clothes because it's all the polyester stuff and it's really not good for you. And to me, it just makes you hot. So leave me comments in the descriptions down below and let me know what you guys like to get from there, or if you even like to get anything from there. And don't forget to like and share and comment and subscribe.